Well, hey, good morning. I am back. Hey, I just frothed up some milk. Well, I think I frothed it up. Let me see here. You know, I have found, this is almond milk, 30 calories per cup. I have found that sometimes the same exact brand, the same exact milk, judging by the label, even with the same expiration date, sometimes one carton of that milk will froth and the next carton that looks the same won't froth. I found this not just with almond milk, I found it with some oat milk too, and other types of milk. Let's see, let me put some coffee in here. How about some Corto? This is Nespresso original line Corto. So let me put this in here. I'm gonna get my coffee going. I tell you what, the weather has been crazy. We had weather up in the high 80s and the lows were maybe in the 50s and it's gone down into the 20s. Today, I think it was in the 30s. It's going to go up to the 70s. Plus, I was in other parts of Georgia and North Carolina. With the warm weather, all kinds of things were blooming. Anyhow, everybody I know has had allergy problems, and me too. So, all right. I've got my nice coffee here with frothed almond milk. Now, I had a friend contact me the other day, and she said, I got almond milk, but it doesn't froth. You know, I've had that happen too. If you've watched my videos, you've seen that. And I've had all kinds of other milk not froth. But let me tell you something interesting. While I was away, I spent a week with some relatives in North Carolina. Let me take a taste of this. This is my first cup, and it's 9:15 in the morning. March 14th, 2022, on the East Coast of the United States. Oh, that's good. Okay, so really, I guess before we move the clocks forward, is that what we did? Yes, spring ahead. It would really be 8:15, but still I'm getting a late start. Well, anyway, so when I was on vacation visiting my relatives, they had cow's milk. Okay, so they had 2% milk, cow's milk. That frothed beautifully every time. And then also for my daughter visiting from Germany here at my house, I had 2% lactose-free milk, like Lactaid, you know. And my other daughter had tried that A2 milk from the cows that produce milk that has, if you're lactose intolerant, sometimes you can tolerate that milk because it doesn't have the enzyme that causes you to have an upset stomach. I mean, naturally, they just don't have the gene to make that. They're not genetically modified. There just happen to be cows with different genetic makeup naturally. Anyhow, I'll talk about that another day. So, I was using cow's milk here a lot. It never failed to froth, and it made a beautiful, silky froth that was unlike, you know how this almond milk, it has a froth, right? You can see what's left in there, but then it had a layer of liquid underneath. Well, the cow's milk was entirely from top to bottom. It turned into a silky froth. Oh, it was just lovely, beautiful in a cup of coffee. Oh my goodness. Of course, though, many more calories than what's in this almond milk, which is 30 calories per cup. So this morning, I'll show you the almond milk that I used this morning that worked for me, all right? And let me turn this around. Okay, so Blue Diamond Almond Breeze. It's the unsweetened original, 30 calories per cup, okay? So if you're using this, maybe give me a comment and let me know, did it froth for you? Okay, I'm gonna sort of try to notice these things a little bit more, but I do know that some of the milks that I've used previously, other people said, you know, like maybe it didn't froth, and other people have commented, oh, that frothed just great for me, you know, and then I'd buy another container. Get these rainbows moving here. And another container would froth, and then another container wouldn't. So I'm going to look into why is this. You know, some people have suggested the age, or I don't know what. It may not be possible to tell because we don't know how the milk was blended, what it was mixed with, even though it has the same expiration date. Maybe it's a different lot number that was treated differently, you know, in the manufacturing process. Anyhow, of course, cow's milk comes out of the cow. These nut milks are blended with different things. So that would naturally affect how you may not get exactly the same thing every time in every carton. Well, anyway, I'm going to drink my coffee, make this a short one this morning, talking to you, but I am back, and it's good to see you, and let me hear from you.